Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily change the language of your SHARP Gogo TV. So let's start off by going to all settings. Now here, scroll a bit down until you guys see the system. And here you have the language. So for now it's English United Kingdom, and now we can change it to, let's say, Polish. And as you guys can see, everything now is changed to this language. So as you guys can see, when we go here, we will have everything in Polish. So that'd be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.